Kristen. I'm the tour director for the Lauren Ashtyn collection. I'm here packing today, getting ready for us to go on our next tour to Nashville to Memphis, and we'll be gone until the 6th of October. And so while you come on tour with us, when you visit us on tour, we will give you a free consultation with your hair piece, and if you decide to purchase that day, you'll actually get a complimentary custom cut with your hair piece that day. So you can always go online and purchase tickets to RSVP to any of our events and see us in the next city near you.
7 a.m. itinerary. My flight to Nashville. Nash Vegas. Here we come.
Here we come.
Here we come. Our hair tour. We've been coming to Nashville for, Nashville for like 5 years. But we are excited to see all our customers on tour. The unfortunate part is we will not be there. I will be there literally. I'll fly in at 7 a.m.
Like 12 hours.
I set up the booth, get the team all set up, then I fly back because we have a big meeting Friday morning.
For the first time ever, we're gonna be missing the Memphis shows. I've been to every single Memphis show, let's see, 3 times per year we do a Memphis show. We do the spring market, we do mistletoe market, and we do the holiday market.
Shout out to Brian and Christy.
Yes, and they run an amazing show. It's literally like our favorite all year.